Hydrogear designs and builds high-end drive systems that power turf machines. Every day, we're pushing the limits to drive the turf care industry forward. At the core of this is a fearless pursuit of excellence.
Since the company's inception, there has been an unwavering dedication to provide the most state-of-the-art products in the market using unique designs and technologies.
At Hydrogear, we think about things differently. With every product developed, part engineered, and idea realized, we're designing for the future. Hydrogear is implementing some of the most advanced processes in the world to provide unmatched customer service.
We have built a reputation as one of the most reliable manufacturers in our industry today. And while there are many variables that have contributed to our success, it can be summed up to 3 words: people, process, and product.
Coming to work every day means another chance at driving the turf care industry forward.
Fearless innovation, relentless drive. That's Hydrogear.